Okay, so in my last video, you saw me start the bottom boards. Inside this video, you see me do some more bottom boards, but this time I got some toys. I got a brand new generator and a jackhammer. So stay tuned. With the generator, I've already prepped it. I've already taken off all the shipping holders, braces. I put oil inside of it, I put some gasoline inside of it, and I started up last night. So the battery was charged enough to start it up. It's a really good starting. I don't have to pull the lever on the side. I can just turn the key and get it going. So the reason why I got these two is to jackhammer the rocks to put up the rest of the bottom boards. So it should be fun today. You should see me use my new toys. So stay tuned. Also, I'm going to start prepping the rest of the bottom boards at home. I'm going to cut them up to 2x4, split them, and get some arms for the bottom board so that when I get out to the property, I can work quicker. So it should be exciting. Remember, safety first. Wear your safety goggles. Put on some gloves if you have to. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is just rip this down the middle, just for the legs of the bottom boards. Okay. Also, someone asked a question the other day concerning one of my videos, what are bottom boards for? So the bottom boards are used to hold the string so that you can align the building. So I'll use the bottom board, set them up on the different each opening, pull the string. Where the string intersect is where the point of the building needs to be. Okay. Check out the papaya tree that I transplanted the last time I was out here. It's still alive, but I forgot to bring some water to water it, so I definitely have to put it on the checklist for next time. Whew, the generator is on. It's very quiet. That's 5,500 watts. So if you are interested in it, check out my link below in the description. Also the jackhammer, I'm going to take it out for the first time to test it out. We see how well it works. If you like how it works, a link will be in the description also. So thanks for joining me. I'm going to finish off some work here. I'm running out of light. So I'll catch you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. If you like what's going on, please comment below. Give me some ideas and so forth of how I can make my videos better. I'll appreciate it. Thank you so much.